you're going to do is, everybody, if you want me to throw these at you, put your hands in a... Don't squeeze in my ball. Please be careful. Okay. So, you put your hands up in a ready stance like this. I'm going to come by, and I'm going to throw my balls at your nose. Okay? And then your job is to accept my balls, or do the high block. Now, after you've had enough of my balls, okay, after you've had a good taste for my balls, what you're going to do is, then you pick up one or two of my balls and you go around. Now listen, if there's other people that are in the ready stance, that means that they're okay with you throwing the ball. Make sense? If you're standing with your hands behind your back, hold on a second. If you're standing with your hands behind your back, people, this is very serious. If you're standing with your hands behind your back, that means people, they do not want you